And coming to sequences. So the sequences are like creating a multi-level chatbot or multi-level auto responses, right? So for that you can go click on add sequence, give any sequence name. Maybe let's say I'm just taking an example of restaurant. Yeah, create sequence. So I've created, I'm just clicking on edit option. Here I have three options. One, I can add a normal message, whatever I want to send, and other I can have a buttons, right? Buttons, you can add up to 3 buttons, but in your case you have some various things to be shown, right? Then you can go for list. So there are 3 kind of components you can add. So we will check one by one. Firstly, we will see message. Like if you want to add any message to whoever sends you any reply or anything, right? You can just go, I'm just adding some of the message. I have added a message here. If I want, I can add image, video, audio, document as well, right? And also I can add multiple images as well. Okay, and save. So now I have added a message. I'm just making it smaller so that it is a better view you will get. Okay, once I have added a message, now I just want to add some buttons. Okay, so in this button I just want to ask my users what they want to like what service they are expecting from us. So I'm just adding one by one the buttons, right? So what all we are offering, and if you want you can add the footer, if you want you can add the header, right? And you can add buttons. Maybe here I want to give menu or book table, right? You want to create more, you can do maybe offers. Okay, create, you can add up to 3 buttons and save. So here you can see, so whoever sends you message, they will immediately get this message, and following the message these buttons will be sent. Now if someone clicks on menu, what they should get, right? For that you can add a list. Maybe you have too many things to offer, you can just go, you can add the list. I'm adding whatever the body message I want, and I'm adding the header. If you want you can add the footer, and you can add the button text. Maybe button text, let's add menu categories. Right here you can have sections. So now let's say you have some sections for, main course, and if you want more sections, you have section for desserts, right? And in the main course you have some some various course, whatever you are providing, you can add row 1, row 2, like that. And even in the section 2, similarly, like in desserts what all you offer, you can just add row 1, row 2, like that. Similarly you can add more sections, and if you don't want you can remove the sections. Okay, so we have added the sections. Maybe I'll just give some random value here, save. Okay, so now the message is ready. So if someone clicks on menu, then they should get this message. So similarly you can create for message for when someone clicks on book table or offers, like that. Yeah, so now we have seen how you can add message, how you can add buttons, and how you can add list. Okay, now I'm showing you the sequence which we had created for restaurant. Okay, taking an example of restaurant. So we are sending the message to the users, followed by the button message. So if they are clicking on view menu, they are getting all this, whatever the menu they are offering, right, in different sections, different buttons, everything. And here also you can continue further, maybe by giving a link to it, or maybe by giving image of it, all those things. And if someone is clicking on book table, right, then you are asking the various options for that. Then if they are clicking on special offers, you are giving whatever the offers are there. Someone clicking on combo deals, then you have whatever the deals you have, right? So once you have created a sequence, you will just go, you will click on save. Once you clicked on save, it will show updated successfully. That means your sequence is ready. So I'm just going to sequence. Every sequence will have a code. So I can copy this sequence and I can use it in a button messages, so that when they click on the particular button, automatically this particular sequence will be triggered. Okay. Or I have one more option, I can send it from inbox also, from inbox as well. In inbox you can just go, you can just send, and you can select the sequence. You can directly choose particular sequence. Okay, maybe this is a sequence I want to send message. So automatically that particular sequence will be triggered to the user.